I spent 6 months bouncing between Note apps, convinced I was one download away from perfect productivity. Turns out the app isn't the problem. Your system is. But here's the thing. The right free app removes friction from whatever system you build. And if you're juggling multiple classes, you need that friction gone immediately. I tested 15 apps, paid and free. Most are garbage for students. Today, I'm showing you the 3 that are genuinely worth your time, completely free, and won't trap you behind a paywall later. This is an honest breakdown. Before I show you the winners, here's what separates a keeper from the trash. 1. Search has to work instantly. You're not scrolling through 200 nested folders looking for that formula your professor mentioned. 2. Formatting shouldn't slow you down. Basic structure, rich text. Done. 3. It syncs across your phone, laptop, tablet without drama or data loss. And 4. It works offline. Your lecture hall Wi-Fi is probably down, and you can't wait to get home to access your notes. Those 4 things. Master those, and everything else is just preference. OneNote is free, and still the most underrated option out there in 2026. Syncs with OneDrive instantly, works offline perfectly, and search is genuinely fast. The interface is busier than I'd like, but once you're in, it's rock solid. Handles handwriting if you're on a tablet. Integrates with Microsoft Office. If your school provides 365, you're already set up. The trade-off. It's not minimal, but for students who want reliability without overthinking, OneNote doesn't let you down. It's the safe choice, and sometimes safe is exactly right. Google Keep is the fastest, simplest option in this entire breakdown. Open it, type, done. Syncs instantly across every device. Zero learning curve, zero friction. No folders, no nesting, just notes and color coding. Perfect for speed capture during lecture. Jot the idea, organize later. Here's the honest part. It's not designed for long-form note-taking or complex structures, but for most students, that's actually ideal. You're not building a knowledge base. You're remembering what was said. Google, Keep wins on pure speed and simplicity. If you hate complexity, this is your app. Notion's free tier is unusually generous. One workspace, unlimited blocks, enough features to build a complete study system. Database features let you organize by class, topic, due date, whatever your brain needs. I'll be honest, it's got a learning curve. Spend 2 hours learning it, and you get a system that scales through 4 years of school. The problem? Syncing can lag. Offline mode is limited. But if your internet is reliable and you'll invest the learning time, Notion's free tier punches way above $0. It's powerful. It just asks you to learn it. No learning curve required? Google Keep wins every time. You want something that'll grow with you through your entire degree? OneNote. You love systems, customization, and building things? Notion. But here's the real advice. Just pick one. Use it for 2 full weeks without switching. You'll know immediately if it fits your brain. The worst thing students do is spend more time optimizing their note app than taking notes. Decision paralysis kills momentum. Stop researching and start using. Your brain will tell you if it's right. 1. Typing every word verbatim. That's transcription, not learning. Capture the idea. Use your own words. 2. Obsessing over formatting. Bullets, highlighting, colors. Don't waste 40 minutes prettifying. Your future self doesn't care about margins. 3. Never reviewing your notes. You take them once, never open them again. Use whatever app you pick to review within 24 hours, then again weekly. The app is just storage. Your system is review. These 3 mistakes wreck more students than bad note apps ever will. OneNote and Google Keep both have true offline access. Notion's is limited. All 3 sync instantly when you're online. OneNote and Notion handle complex formatting. Keep stays minimal. Storage, OneNote, and use your existing Google or Microsoft account. Cloud native. Notion stores everything in their cloud, all completely free. The hidden cost? Time to learn. Keep, 5 minutes. OneNote, 15 minutes. Notion, 2 hours minimum. Pick based on whether you value quick start speed or full-featured power. Neither is wrong. Here's what you do immediately. Download one app from this video. Seriously, don't overthink it. If you're unsure, start with Google Keep. It's literally impossible to mess up. Commit 2 weeks. If it clicks, perfect. If not, try the next one. The goal is to stop app shopping and start actually studying. In 2 weeks, you'll have answered the only question that matters. Does this work for my brain? That's it. That's all that matters. So go. Download it. Start taking notes differently.